What's the meaning of aurora australis? Aurora australis. Aurora australis.
Aurora australis. Aurora australis. Aurora australis refers to a natural phenomenon also known as the southern lights. It is caused by charged particles from the Sun colliding with molecules in Earth's atmosphere, which produces a variety of colorful and mesmerizing patterns of light in the southern hemisphere. This phenomenon can only be seen in certain locations, such as Antarctica, South Georgia Island, and parts of New Zealand and Australia. Aurora australis is a beautiful and captivating display of nature's power and beauty, attracting visitors and photographers from all over the world.